My name is Gillian Perkins and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 7 main ways that you can make money online. And my hope for this video is to give you plenty of options and ideas for how you can make money online yourself so that you can produce your income more flexibly and work from home or work from abroad if that's something that you want to do. Okay, I don't think we need any more of an introduction than that, so let's get on into it. The first main way that you can make money online is to offer some sort of service. Now, there are many different services that you could offer, but we're talking about something like being an online business manager or a graphic designer or selling stock photography or doing virtual assisting. Lots of different options. In fact, way too many to mention in this video. So I've put together a list for you guys of 50 different freelance jobs that you can do online. And there's a link down below where you can download this list for free. But I think you're going to find it really useful because not only is there a list of 50 different jobs, but I've also included a description of each of the different jobs so you can understand exactly what it is, just in case it's something that you haven't heard of before or you're just not exactly sure what a person with that job would do. There's also a list of the main skills that you would need to have in order to be able to do that job. And there's also an estimated annual income for each of those jobs. I try to include as much information as possible on this list to help you be able to figure out which of these jobs might be a good fit for you. So if you're interested in making money online by offering a service, then make sure you check down below for the link to download that for free. The next 4 ways you can make money online are all different types of digital products that you can sell. The first type of digital product, so this is the second way you can make money online, is to sell ebooks. Now, you can sell ebooks on your own website, or you can sell them inside the Kindle store or on Amazon. There's also plenty of other places you can sell them as well. And you probably know what an ebook is. It's just a digital form of a book. And you can either sell just the digital version of the book, or you can have a digital version, the ebook, and also a paperback version of the same book. And an ebook can be anywhere from 50 pages long to 500 pages long. But if you enjoy writing or you have some valuable piece of information to share with people, then creating an ebook could be a great option for you to make money online. The next way you can make money online is another type of digital product, and that is courses. Now, online courses have become much more popular over the past few years, and there are now different websites that you can go on to sell your courses. I'm talking about websites like Udemy or Coursera. There's a whole bunch of different websites like this, and I'll leave links down below where you can check a few of them out. But basically, you create a series of video lessons, so just like making a YouTube video, except it's a bunch of videos that all work together to teach somebody something. These online courses can then be sold for anywhere from about $10 each up to about $2,000 each. And if you've never bought an online course before, you might think, well, nobody buys $2,000 online courses, but they do. I have myself, and lots of people make their full-time income selling online courses. The next way that you can make money online is by creating a membership site where people pay a certain amount every single month to continually get access to the content on the website or to get new content every month. Membership websites normally help people with a specific topic. So for example, you could create a membership site for pet owners or for crocheters or for people who enjoy arts and crafts. My membership site, Startup Society, is actually how I make the bulk of my income online. And I'll leave a link down below where you can find out more about Startup Society if it sounds interesting to you. The 5th way you can make money online is to sell software. Now, obviously this is a little bit more technical than most of the other things on this list, but it is a way that lots of people make their full-time income online, and so I feel like I need to mention it. And I also want to mention that it doesn't necessarily have to be a lot more technical, because you can hire software developers to actually build the software for you if you have a good idea for a piece of software to create. Okay, so now we've covered all of the different types of digital products that you could sell to make money online, and the last category of products that we have is physical products. And there's 3 main ways that you can sell physical products online. The first way you can sell physical products has become really popular over the past couple years, but it's not the one I would really recommend. It's drop shipping. And a lot of people do drop shipping with a Shopify website, although some people do it on Amazon. If you've never heard of drop shipping before, basically what it is you set up a business that sells some specific product. So like, let's say you're selling computer mice, for example, and then you have a website or you list the product on Amazon, but you don't actually have the product yourself. You're actually selling a product that someone else manufactures and that you don't even have yourself. You haven't bought a bunch of inventory. And then whenever someone buys the product that you have on your website or on Amazon, you basically give their shipping information to the company that actually sells it, and the company that sells it ships it to the customer. So for example, maybe you have the computer mouse on your website, and on your website it says it's $20. So the customer goes to your website, they decide to buy the mouse, and they check out and pay $20 to you, and then you turn around, give their information to the manufacturing company that's selling it, and you pay them maybe $5 or $10. They ship the mouse to the customer, and you keep the difference as your profit. Now, there's nothing wrong with this model. It can work very well, but I've just seen a lot of people try and fail with it for a few different reasons. First of all, profit margins, the difference between what the customer is paying and the costs that you have, can be a lot smaller than they appear at first. It looks like, oh, I can sell this mouse for 20 bucks and it only cost me $5, but you can just have so many costs eaten up with basically shipping and handling and customer service and so many different aspects of running the business that often the profit margins end up being extremely small. Second of all, it's really competitive because so many people are doing it. And thirdly, it can just be difficult to market a product that you're not actually selling yourself because there might be quality issues. You might not be very confident in the product. I feel like we should make a whole nother video all about drop shipping and the pros and cons of it, but I just wanted to mention that as far as the ideas on this list go, it's not the one I would recommend. The seventh way you can make money online is by selling products on Amazon. And Amazon has a service for sellers called Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. And basically what they do is they take care of all of the customer service and the actual distribution of the products. So if you have a product to sell, whether it's something you made yourself or whether it's something that you're having a company manufacture or a product that a company was already making that you're just buying inventory of, you have a product, you can ship it to Amazon, and then the product can be sold on Amazon to customers, and Amazon will actually take care of doing all of the shipping for you and take care of the customer service. Okay, and then the eighth and final way to make money online is to sell handcrafted products that you made yourself. And one of the most common ways to do this is to sell them on Etsy, although of course you can sell them on your own website or even on a website like Amazon or eBay as well. Okay, so those are the 8 ways to make money online. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, if you found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button down below to let me know, and also leave a comment down below to share which of these ideas stood out to you and which one you're the most interested in pursuing. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I make 2 videos every week about personal development, entrepreneurship, and success, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. You can click here to subscribe right now, and then after you subscribe, you can click over here to check out this video about how to start an online business in just 1 week. Okay, well that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. My name is Gillian Perkins. I hope you are having an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.